welcome to episode 2 of Cooking with Ree. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cooking with Ree. Before we even get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because you made it to episode 2. Today we are going to be making potato skins. I grew up on potato skins. This is another meal that I got from my mom. Pretty simple, it's pretty quick, easy to be made. So I was like, why not show y'all? Yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. I got my potatoes right here. Ooh, potatoes. I'm just gonna wash them. I have this little scrubber thing that has like soap in it, but I'm not gonna use the soap. Y'all can see it's like a rubber thing that I'm gonna use to clean off the outside of the skin. It's really dirty, so I don't know if everybody else does this, but we usually could use a sponge that doesn't have soap on it. But because I have this scrubby thing, I'm just gonna use it. Okay, so now that we have the potatoes washed, we're going to cut them up into slices. So now that the potatoes are cut up, you're gonna want to wash them again. Make sure you use cold water. Put my water on cold. Now we're gonna reheat the oven. So bake 350 is good. And then by the time you get done seasoning your potatoes, the oven should be ready. So now we got the oven preheating and we got our pan. Get you a flat pan. No, my pan is not dirty, it's stained. You're gonna, after you washed your potato skins, you drain out the water out of the pan. Get you some olive oil. This is Kroger's brand olive oil. Olive oil is olive oil to me. It doesn't really matter what kind you use. Use whichever one you feel comfortable using. But you just want to oil your pan. You don't need a lot though. Don't put too much. So I'm gonna get a spoon because people like to be judgy. So now I'm gonna take the spoon. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm just putting my oil everywhere. Then you're gonna go in with some minced garlic. This is the garlic that I use. I really love how this garlic smells, but this is what it looks like. So you're gonna put garlic on the pan. I'm gonna go in with my black pepper, my all-purpose Greek seasoning, my favorite, and then you can't forget Lawry's seasoned salt. And you just gonna season your potato skins. So y'all, you don't need too much seasoning. Like you will make a mistake and make it too salty. I have done that before. So because we're using 2 types of seasoned salts, don't overdo it. And we're also gonna be flipping the potato skins. So yeah. Now it's time for it to go in the oven. All right, so the potato skins are in the oven. I'm gonna give it like maybe, it doesn't take long for them to cook at all because it's just potato skins. So maybe like 20 minutes, maybe 30. I think 30 is pushing it. But after like 15, 20 minutes, I'm gonna flip them. And then I might season the other side depending on how it looks. Because sometimes I put too much seasoning. So we're gonna see. And now we just wait. So it's been about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Now we're gonna flip them. So I like to do it from in the oven. I don't take it completely out, right? So we're gonna flip them now. So now that they're all flipped, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the Greek seasoning on there, just a tiny bit. And you let it sit for 5 to 10 more minutes. So you guys, they're ready. So now we're gonna add our toppings. Go in with my cheese and my bacon bites or bits. So and then you're gonna put it back in the oven just for a few more minutes just to melt the cheese. Y'all know you gotta come through with that sour cream. That sour cream gonna do it. Let's see how it tastes. I don't know what cheese I want. It's so cheesy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this did it. Y'all gotta try this. This definitely did it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think and how you guys think I did on this meal. Stay tuned for episode 3. Bye.